I continue to play with AI and see how easy or not it is to create professional looking videos, clips, pictures, whatever. Um, and I must admit, I picked this up from YouTube. It's a way to do something cool that doesn't cost anything, at least not at the moment. So the first thing to do is to find an image of something that you would like to create your own version of. So here I've chosen this one on this side, and I've just literally saved that to the computer. What I then did was I went into ChatGPT and uploaded that picture. So this is the free version of ChatGPT, and literally said, and I apologize for the spelling, but I want to create this type of short video. Please give me 8 prompts of the same video, same type of character. And basically let ChatGPT create the little prompts. So here are the prompts. And as I say, this isn't cost a penny at the moment. So the next trick is to get it free is to pop into Meta AI, which is also free. You've got it on apps, you can get it online. And basically, as you can see, it says ask anything. So what you do is you copy each of those prompts and then you literally tap it in to Meta AI and let it do its thing. So what it's going to do now is create 4 versions for free of the description, your prompt, for you to choose from. And if you just want a still, well, you're going to have a nice still image, high quality. It looks like someone's actually spent some time generating it, whereas hopefully this is all done in real time. You can see it takes minutes to do it. Now, what it will do once it's there, so I'll give it a few more seconds, is it will provide you with these, and you can see it's animated them for you. So you look at those four. You can obviously try and change it, regenerate it, whatever you want. But if you decide, actually, yes, I quite like that one, well, you can just tap it and download it. But if you do download it, you're only going to get a short clip. So you've got a thing here there that says extend. You do get this thing that just says your reply didn't send, ignore it. And now what it will do is it will just take that clip and you can continue extending the animation to get longer clips. Now, these haven't got sound, excuse me, but you can add sound in a variety of things. So for example, I'm using a Samsung tablet, and you can just literally tap in and add some soundtracks that are royalty free. And there you have it. There's a professional looking clip. Didn't cost a penny. You've used free apps to do it, and you can base it on pretty much any image that you like. When you're done, hold your finger on it, hit share, and then just save it. And now you have your clip ready to do what you want with. I will continue to do the rest of those 8 clips, then I'll shove them all together with a bit of music and throw it at the end of this video so you can see what it's like. But there you are, free, gratis, and I'd say relatively easy to do, even if you're not IT literate particularly. Uh, Please let me know how you get on, and if you do your own, post it and let us see it.